how to transform quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c into y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k, or into vertex form. So in innovative way. So by the word itself, we have innovation. So what do you mean of the word innovation? Innovation, it means kung ano yung bago, kung ano yung technique or strategies na mas makaka-easier, di ba? Para masagutan, like for example, yung mga katanungan or problem. So ano yung mga mas easy or shortcut na dapat mong gawin, di ba? So yun yung innovation. So innovation also is creating a new app, like for example, to make learning faster, di ba? Innovation. Like for example, kung gagamitin nyo lang naman yung inyong mga laptops or di kay cellphones or laptops, diba? So, you can use also Desmos or GeoGebra. Kung gagamitin mo lang naman ng inyong mga cellphones or di kaya mga laptops, so, mag-insert na lang kayo sa piso Wi-Fi or di kaya mag-load ng data or for Wi-Fi to use apps na mas maganda, mas easier gamitin, just like ChatGPT and CC and other na applications. Aside from applications or AI, we have also another way on how to transform quadratic equation into vertex form, which is easier siya. Diba? Meron kasing dalawang pamaagi or dalawang techniques on how to solve, diba? Or on how to transform. We have the first, which is the difficult one, and the second, yung innovate natin, which is the easier one. But before that, let's transform this first example through ChatGPT, and after that, we're going to transform through the use of our easier or innovative way, okay? We're going to use this ChatGPT in order to transform quadratic equation into vertex form. So let's ask ChatGPT how to transform x squared minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, let's try. Yeah. Yes, of course. So how to transform your quadratic equation x squared minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the procedure on how to transform using completing the square. This is the difficult style or difficult techniques on how to transform quadratic equation into vertex form. As what you can see, diba? You need to add and subtract 16 inside the parentheses, diba? Grabe, napakahaba pa niya. And of course, kapag hindi ka marunong sa factoring or completing the squares, medyo mas mahihirapan ka talaga. This is the answer. Yan. So this is the answer. So by the use of this AI innovative way, ChatGPT, but later another naman na innovative way na mas easier para masagutan on how to transform this quadratic equation into vertex form. So this is the answer, or this is the procedure using this completing the square or the difficult one. Okay? So next, let's go naman tayo sa easier way. Okay, so this time, we're going to transform quadratic equation into vertex form sa easier way naman tayo. Okay, so let's start. We have our first example. We have x squared minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. Ayun. Okay, so first, we're going to use the formula for the h, which is h is equal to negative b divided by 2 times a. So our b here is negative 8 divided by 2 times a, which is 1. Our x is 1. So we have negative 8 divided by 2. We have negative 4. So negative times negative, we have positive 4. Our h will be positive 4. Next, let's try naman the k to complete the vertex form. So we have 4 times a times c minus b squared divided by 4 times a. So we have 4 times 1 times, yes, 1, our a is 1, and our c is 12, minus b is negative 8, squared 4 times a. Okay, our a here is 1. Okay, later. So 4 times 1 times 12 is minus negative 8 squared. 4 times 1. Okay, sige. So we have 4 times 1 times 12, we have 48. Minus Okay, negative 8 squared. We have, okay, 64 divided by 4. And, okay, so we have negative 48 minus 64. We have negative 16 divided by 4. We have negative 4. So therefore, our k will be negative 4. Okay, so let's complete. We have y. This is the formula for the vertex form. We have y is equal to a x minus h squared plus k. This is the equation. This is the equation for the vertex form. So this is the vertex form. Let's a as 1 times x, h is 4 squared plus k as, we have the k of negative 4. Sige. So we have x minus 4 squared minus 4. Ayan, ganyan na kasimple. Everyone on how to transform quadratic equation into vertex form by the use of this method. Yan, ganyan kasimple. So, which is para sa akin mas simple ito kaysa sa completing the squares kung hindi ka marunong. So, next, another. Now let's try another example, which is we have the 2x squared plus 8x plus 5. So let's try this quadratic equation to transform in vertex form. Oh, here. So here is the result. Let me see the result. Yun. So this is correct. Okay, so we have here the result using the difficult strategy. Medyo difficult. Pero pag marunong ka naman sa factoring or sa completing the square, hindi naman difficult yan. Ayan. So, completing the square. So, this is the procedure. Diba? To have the final answer, which is in the vertex form. Yon. So, again, everyone, you can use ChatGPT or any AI that you can use if gagamitin yung inyong cellphones. But, of course, may another way pa tayo. Let's find or let's see later if tama ba yung sagot by the use of the easier techniques on how to transform quadratic equation into vertex form. Let's go! Number 2. What is our example number 2? We have 2x. Yon. Diba? Yon, we have 2x squared plus 8x plus 15. 5, sorry. 5. So this is our second example. So let's use the h, which is negative b minus 2a. So b is 8 divided by 2 times 2. So we have negative 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So therefore this will be negative 2. So our h will be negative 2. And for our k, we have k is equal to 4 times 8 times c minus b squared divided by 4a. So, let's solve for we have our a, which is 2 times c, which is 5 minus b, 8 squared lang natin, divided by 4 times, which is 2. Our a is 2. So, we have 4 times 2, 8 times 5, we have 40. Minus, 64. Divided by 8. Yun. So, we have 40 minus 64, we have negative 24. Divided by 8. We have the answer, which is negative 3. So, therefore, our k here is negative 3. To complete, okay, let's try. We have y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. Okay, 2. Yung ating a is 2 times x minus h natin is negative 3. So, therefore, ayan. Ay, sorry. Ay, negative 2 pala ito. So, ang ating h is negative 2. So, ang ating h is negative 2 squared plus ang ating k is negative 3. Ay, yun. So, we have 2x minus 2 squared. Oh my God. Plus negative 3. X minus 2 squared minus 3. Ayan, ganyan kasimple everyone on how to transform quadratic equation into vertex form as what you can see. Diba? Pareho lang naman yung kanilang sagot sa difficult and sa easier one. Pero pag ako, mas prefer ko ito kasi mas madali. Kasi nga, calculator yung gagamitin mo. So that's all for today everyone. Thank you so much. So that's all. Goodbye.